Heidi. I hear you got a shocking story about Madonna being a little bitchy.
Well, breaking news on Dish Nation.
No, but this kind of is. This is crazy. So a handwritten letter is up for auction right now, and the letter was written by Madonna to her then-boyfriend, John Enos. This happened back in the 1990s.
Ooh.
So she writes this letter, and she unleashes on her peers at the time, Whitney Houston and Sharon Stone. So here's an excerpt from the letter. She says, quote, "It's so unequivocally frustrating to read that Whitney Houston has the music career I wish I had, and Sharon Stone has the film career I'll never have. Not because I want to be these women, because I'd rather die. But they're so horribly mediocre." Whitney Houston is mediocre. That's insane.
I just want to ask a question. Am I the only one who's reading this as sarcasm?
We can't even read sarcasm in text and emails nowadays. there definitely wasn't sarcasm in a handwritten letter. So mediocre.
That's right.
Period.
Too bad we didn't have handwritten emojis back then, so we could have known what she
Needed an
meant.
emoji. Exactly.
Here's what Sharon Stone said after she read this. "Dear Madonna, know that I'm your friend. I've wished to be a rock star in some private moments, have felt as mediocre as you described. Owning our own mediocrity is the only way to our own strength. I love and adore you, won't be pitted against you by any invasion of our personal journeys." Somebody went,
Emoji, uncrossed legs, cross legs again.
It's like she's saying, sometimes I felt as mediocre as you described, but we all know I'm not. Am I right?
What are you going to do, arrest me for being mediocre?
They should. You be doing time.
Miss Stone was being messy in her own little way too.
Yeah,
honey.
she was.
Girl, honey, she said she wanted to be a rock star too in her private moments.
Yes,
honey.
and let you know through your journey when you were at your low point, Madonna.
Yes.
Got to read between the read lines.
Yes.